Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. So namhlanje nginiphathele ezimnandi. Yabo nginiphathele indaba ezimnandi kuthiwa la naye. Orlando Pirates and Mamelodi Sundowns are in a battle to sign the prolific Bafana winger, left winger Bafana uOsuna Police. Menikhumbula kahle ke this player last season. This player actually not even last season, go January transfer window. Orlando Pirates was looking to sign this player. Yabo. It was their number one top target to sign ngoJanuary. Kwenzeka ukuthi umchita akafuni ukuhamba kwiPulwane City. Not ukuthi umchita afuna ukuhamba kwiPulwane City. Iyona iPulwane City iyayingafuni ukumdedela uSuna Police because they were looking to qualify for the CAF Sports akhona lapha kwiBetway Premiership. They were looking to qualify noma mhlambe iCAF Confed yabo befuna ukuyodlala eAfrica besizwe uyena umchita. Imani khumbula amavideo ami engawenza ngikhuluma ngayo uSuna Police. Isikhulu sakhona yabo iCEO yakhona ephethe lapha yayingafuni ukumdayisa uSuna Police to Orlando Pirates because babezolahlekelwa amathuba bokuthi bayodlala eAfrica. Yabo babefuna ukuyodlala khona. Menikhumbula kahle Pulwane City was one of the hottest teams isaqala season bedlala kahle. In their first leg of the season they were playing very well. Bewu number 3 lapha belandele iOrlando Pirates neMamelodi Sundowns. But ke right now izinto ezibahambeli kahle. Izinto ezibahambeli kahle. Even the coach okocha khona uPhuthi Mohafe, he's on the brink of getting fired. Yabo he's on the brink of getting fired because it's ayenzi kahle currently. Yabo last game bayidlalile noOrlando Pirates and they played against iSikhukhune if I'm not mistaken. Yabashawa iSikhukhune. So we might see uPhuthi Mohafe exoshwa anytime soon. Yabo ngangitshela ama comments ukuthi ngokwakho does the coach need to leave iPulwane City or what? But ke akuzona indaba engizokhuluma ngazo la, ngizokhuluma ngokuthi Orlando Pirates neMamelodi Sundowns bayalwa ngempela bafuna ukumsayina lo mdlali. But ngizoqala ngesituation yeSundowns. For me, I think iSundowns befuna umdlali ayikho enye team la kwiBetway Premiership engakwazi ukufitha iMamelodi Sundowns. iMamelodi Sundowns awukwazi ungena kwi-race yokusayina umdlali neSundowns because menikhumbula kahle Osuna Police wayefunwa yini na, wayefuna Orlando Pirates neKaizer Chiefs. But ke iKaizer Chiefs akusiyona i-team ethanda ukukhipha imali kakhulu. Njengoba ngasiyona i-team ethanda ukukhipha imali kakhulu, Orlando Pirates were the favorites to sign Osuna Police. But ke the Pulwane City CEOs didn't want to let go of the guy. So Orlando Pirates backed off. Yathi izomsayina nini ngoJune. Yabo yathi izo renegotiate kahle ingxoxo zakhe ngoJune mase kuphela isizini baphinde bamsayina umjita. But ke nazi ke indaba la. iMamelodi Sundowns menikhumbula kahle iyojoina iFIFA Club World Cup. Njengoba iyojoina iFIFA Club World Cup bazodinga more players to help them play in that FIFA Club World Cup. Quality players. We have quality players in Betway Premiership. Osuna Police plays for Bafana. Yabo umdlali nje kaHugo Bros uyadlala lo amchita lo. Even though ama stats akhe ehlile since yabo Orlando Pirates eyimfuna, his stats really dropped. Angifuni uqamba manga. Ama stats akhe adropile kakhulu umchita. But ke Mamelodi Sundowns have entered the race. They want to sign the guy. Yabo kuthiwa ingxoxo zizokhulunywa kahle next week. Ama agent akhe uOsuna Police na nezikhulumi zeMamelodi Sundowns ziyohlangana. Asazi ukuthi ingxoxo izophela kanjani. But ke agcini lapho. Yabo indaba ayigcini lapho. Even though iSundowns inayo ifinancial power in getting Osuna Police, but Orlando Pirates is really pushing hard for this deal to happen. Orlando Pirates is really pushing hard for this deal to happen. Menikhumbula kahle Orlando Pirates uyayimfuna lo mchita lo ngoJanuary because wanginezinkulumo zokuthi yabo uMonapule Saling might leave Orlando Pirates. So Orlando Pirates njengoba inayo ifinancial power nayo eyayo because mase ubheke there are many cups Orlando Pirates seyawinile. Yabo ikhona imali kuOrlando Pirates. Ikhona imali. Kuyikona nje ukuthi angazi ngomina yena. Orlando Pirates memfuna umdlali lo mdlali mekeyeza ukuthi uyabiza ivele ibaleke. Yabo ivele ibaleke. But ke asikakeze ukuthi Osuna Police uyabiza noma kanjani. Yabo but Orlando Pirates nayo iyaphusha for ukuthi sign Osuna Police. Asazi noma izinto zizohamba ngendlela yini. But for me I would really love to see Osuna Police edlalela Orlando Pirates. Yabo I would really love to see that because let's say the guy goes to Sundowns. Yes, Sundowns bafethe ineyita eningi, but if you go to Sundowns there are no chances of you playing there. Noma ungabe star kanjani. mancane amathuba ukuthi udlale lapho. Thapelo Maseko, that's the prime example. The guy was brilliant with SuperSport United. Look where he is now. Look where he is right now. He's playing with the TTC side, the Mamelodi Sundowns. He hardly gets minutes with first team Sundowns, but he was bought playing for SuperSport's main team. Malibongwe Khoza, the prolific young defender. He was playing top football. He was playing with the main team right now. Use relegated to TTC side Sundowns. What is going on, Sundowns? Yabo, many young players abafiti kahle kule scheme Sundowns.